Owen Schroyer here for Infowars.com, and I'm with Roger Stone, who is the most talked about and attacked man in America, perhaps, right now. Roger, today was a historic day for you. You're facing 7 charges, all fake against you. They're trying to put you in jail for 45 years, all frivolous lawsuits. It's all because you supported the president. You were in the courthouse today. There have been some things that developed. Where does the case stand?
Well, I was arraigned today. I pled not guilty. I'm subject to the same restrictions on probation of my current release on a $250,000 surety bond, which means I put up no money. I'm free on my signature, which means the court does not consider me a flight risk. There are certain witnesses and individuals I cannot speak to per the order of the court today. There's another hearing scheduled for Friday where I am ordered to appear as of now. Sitting at the prosecution table was Jeannie, Rhee, Hillary Clinton's personal attorney in the illegal email server case, also represented the Clinton Foundation. This is Hillary Clinton's personal legal attack dog. Also Aaron Zelinsky, former counsel at Hillary Clinton's State Department, assistant to Rod Rosenstein in the U.S. Attorney's Office. His emails are among the emails that were published by WikiLeaks. They both have egregious conflicts of interest. They are directing the prosecution of me. I find it amazing that Comey, Brennan, McCabe, Clapper, and Hillary Clinton themselves, Cheryl Mills, Huma Abedin, these people all lied under oath, but they're paying no penalty, yet they're seeking to incarcerate me for the rest of my life. When I didn't lie, I told the truth, as will be proven. So I pled not guilty. There was a very angry mob outside the courthouse. I wanted to make a statement. It was literally impossible. I would have been drowned out by rabid leftists pushing, screaming, throwing things, spitting on me. It was really like Nixon in Caracas. Was unbelievable. I've just gotten an urgent call from my wife. There's a throng of violent protesters at my home in Florida. I have to have her evacuated and get some security there as quickly as possible. I mean, this is a nightmare as crazy leftists foment violence against me and my family.
Political henchmen attacking an innocent man, and the proof is in the pudding here, Roger. Like you said, you've got Democrat lawyers working for Mueller. You've got all of these Democrats on Mueller's staff, and this should be a clear conflict of interest. Let's not forget when Trump was inaugurated and he made some appointments, Jeff Sessions had to recuse himself from the Russian collusion investigation. So, whoa, even though there was no real conflict of interest there, they forced Sessions out. Here's a clear conflict of interest inside the special counsel and seemed to be just perfectly fine.
Yeah, it's extraordinary. So Mr. Mueller can destroy evidence, yet they storm my house claiming that I'm suspected of destroying evidence, which of course I have not done. The drug kingpin type raid, using more men than they used to take down bin Laden, is a demonstration that this is a show trial. This is a political witch hunt that was done to paint me as public enemy number 1 and to taint the jury pool so I cannot possibly get a fair trial. I'm scheduled to go to trial before Amy Jackson Berman, who is a hanging left-wing judge appointed by Barack Obama. This is a death sentence as far as I'm concerned, but I still will fight. I need people to go to stonedefensefund.com so I have the resources to fight. I need people to go to the Infowars.com store so that I have a platform to fight back and punch back from. I was not gagged by the magistrate today. I don't know if they will try to gag me on Friday. I know that these broadcasts on Infowars particularly are carefully monitored by the special counsel's office, and they drive them crazy. They are following what we are doing, but so are you. So are you in the Infowars community. It's the only place where you're going to get the whole truth. I'm going to start calling myself Roger the Truth Stone. So I cannot survive without the Infowars platform. I cannot survive without the support of Alex Jones and Owen Schroyer and David Knight and the whole crew at Infowars. And I cannot survive and I cannot win without your support at stonedefensefund.com. we're ready to do battle. We will fight. I will not falter. I will not fold. I will not quit. I will not plead guilty to something I didn't do. I will certainly never roll on the president by making up lies the way Michael Cohen has. But I have to have the resources to do it. And InfoWars has to have the resources to keep their doors open and fight the multiple lawsuits that are designed to shut InfoWars down. So please, give us your generous support at the NoWorldOrder.com store. If you're not in the mood for one of our great products, you can go make a contribution, $25, $50, $100. And then go over to Stone Cold Truth, same thing, make a contribution. My life is in your hands. I need your help.
Roger, I say your resiliency and your fighting spirit in the midst of all this has been admirable for me, and I just want to let you know that. But the frustration that you must feel knowing that this is a political witch hunt against you, knowing that they're trying to manufacture crimes to destroy your life, attack your family, I mean, this is all political. How do you keep that frustration down and just try to eloquently voice to the American people how you've been mistreated?
Well, right now, I'm very upset because there's an angry mob outside my home in Florida. My wife is there without security with 2 dogs. I'm trying to get the Fort Lauderdale police refused to respond. We called them, they will not send anybody. I'm deeply concerned about the safety of my family, but security costs money. I don't have the money to pay for security and my lawyers. So please be generous. Go to stonedefensefund.com. Go to the Infowars.com store so they don't take away my voice and my platform. And if they gag me, Alex Jones will know the truth. Owen Schroyer will know the truth. They will tell you the truth.
Well, it's amazing to be part of this American history with Roger Stone, who will be in the history books when this is all said and done. But it's up to us as Americans to make sure that we don't have this blatant miscarriage of justice against innocent men like Roger Stone and against the President of the United States, like him or not. What they're doing to him with the fake news media and the Robert Mueller special counsel is criminal. So the only way for us to come out of this is for America to get together, realize the truth about Robert Mueller, and hopefully the president can get this message and do something about it as well. There's been rumors about Matthew Whitaker wanting to shut this down, but as of right now, those are just rumors. So Roger Stone, thank you so much. God bless you. Your prayers mean everything at InfoWars and the InfoWars audience. So folks, we'll be continuing to give you all the updates on the attack, the political witch hunt against Roger Stone at InfoWars.com.